Hello friends, in this video question answer of a look inside the body. First question, think and tell. First, why do we pant when we have been running hard from some time? Answer, when we run our heart forcefully contract to send more blood to the leg and the other part of the body. The heart work rapidly. In such case, the lungs also pumps more air to the body. Therefore, our pulse rate becomes fast. Question number 2b. Answer the following question. First question, what is meant by internal organs? Answer, the organ present inside the body and those which cannot be seen from outside are called internal organs. They carry out many important and vital functions. Question number 2. Name the two cavities in the abdomen. Answer, abdominal activity and the pelvis cavity are the two cavities present in the abdomen. Question number 3. Which important organ are seated in the rib cage in the thoracic cavity? Answer, the heart and the lungs are seated in the rib cage in the thoracic cavity. Question number 4. Why does the chest swell when we breathe in? Answer, when we breathe in, the outside air enter the body and hence the chest swells. Question number 5. Why is the brain situated in the casing of the skull? Answer, the brain is the most important internal organ. If there is injuries to the brain, a person can become disabled for life or even death can occur. Therefore, the brain is protected in the bony cage called skull. See question filling the blanks. First, the internal organs that help digest food are present in the alimentary canal. Question number 2. We have lungs. We have two lungs. Third question. Every of the heart is called a heartbeat, throbbing. Question number 4. We become of all our emotional in the brain. Aware. Question number 5. The structure of the human body is very complex. D question, true or false? First question, the esophagus in the thoracic cavity. True answer. The heart is a little bigger than our first. True. Third, the food in the mouth from the moist lumps. True answer. In the brain, we interpret the information collected by the sensor organs. This is true answer. Question number E. Give reason why. Question number first. The structure of the body is such that all internal organs remain secure in their places. Answer. Internal organs carry out a very important vital functions. Therefore, they should be protected well. They should not be damaged due to our movement. Therefore, all of these internal organs are securely located in the proper place. Question number 2. Blood must be kept flowing in the blood vessels throughout the body. Answer. From the blood that flow in our body, we get the air that we breathe in. The Nutrients from digested food are also carried to every part of the body by blood. For this purpose, blood must be kept flowing in the blood vessels throughout the body. Question number 3. The brain has to be kept completed safe. Answer. The brain is a very important internal organ. It carries out many important functions. If there is injuries to the brain, the person can be disabled for life or even die. Therefore, the brain has to keep compulsory safe. See last question F. Match the following. First A group, B group. A group blood supply, second breathing, third carrying food the stomach, fourth controlling movement, and B group alimentary canal, B heart, C brain, and D lungs. Answer. Blood group supply heart, 2 breathing lungs, 3 carrying food to the stomach alimentary canal, and 4 controlling movement brain.